Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I am super duper excited today because I am teaming up with Creative Fabrica to give away a brand new in-the-box Cameo 4. I'm so excited. The Cameo 4 is part of Creative Fabrica's desire to give back to us, the crafting community. And, well, I've got to tell you though, this giveaway is not affiliated with Silhouette America. So strictly something that Creative Fabrica is doing for us. So you're wondering, okay, Patty Ann, so how do I win? Well, first I'm going to tell you why I love Creative Fabrica. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I use Creative Fabrica a lot for most of my projects. And one of the reasons that I love it so much is because when I download stuff from Creative Fabrica, it's mine to keep forever and ever. If I download fonts, I do not have to stay subscribed to Creative Fabrica to keep these things. They're mine once I get them. And that's going to be really important in just a second when I tell you an offer that I have for you, in addition to trying to win the Cameo 4. So anyway, another one of the reasons why I love it is because you get commercial licenses. So no more worrying about whether I can sell this, whether I'm going to get in trouble. Everything comes with a commercial license. So make your crafts and sell them like crazy. All right. So Creative Fabrica has so much stuff, like over 4 million graphic designs. And I'm talking fonts, graphics, SVGs, templates, clip art designs, embroidery files, and more. So anyway, all this is just $1. If you want to join right now today, it's just $1. For 1 month, you can join for $1 and grab as much stuff as you like. I mean, I'm going to show you one thing that you'll really want to get. Join for $1, get this, and then unsubscribe if you want to. But if you're like me, you're going to find you like it so much and see so much value in it that you'll keep your subscription going, because after the $1 a month, you can cancel at any time, but you'll get it at just $19 a month. Normally, it's $29 a month. So that's a saving of 35% if you keep your subscription going. And like I said, if you're like me, you'll want to. So let's go and see what I'm talking about with Creative Fabrica. Okay, when you click on my link that's below this video, you're going to come to this opening page that says, in partnership with PattyAnnesPlace, Creative Fabrica gives you unlimited access to those 4 million fonts, graphics, digital resources, etc. for just $1, right? For any crafting projects. So it shows you right here, the first month is $1, and then it's $19 a month. And of course, you can cancel at any time, no questions asked, commercial license included, unlimited download access, and so on. So here are some things that you get, and you can scroll down here and look and see yourself. All of these designs, new high quality resources are added daily, and just so on and so on. So it's really super duper deal. But let's say you're going to join right now, and I highly recommend you do, because I'm going to show you that one thing in particular that you're going to love. So all you'll do is click on Try All Access Now for just $1, and you'll come to this page right here, and I like to use PayPal. You can use whatever you want to use, but as you'll notice, it says $19, but then it subtracted $18 because for your first month, it's just $1. So that's all you'll need to do is proceed to PayPal and get it like that. So I wanted to show you a few more things. For example, this. As I said, it's usually $29 for all access, but you're going to get it after the trial period for just $19. And of course, if you want to, you could just get the fonts if you wanted to for $19 a month, or the graphics for $19 a month, or even the crafts. But the way it's organized now, they've grouped it all together. They've kind of combined everything for $29 for everything per month, but you get it for $19 after that first month of $1. Now remember, that first month of $1, you can grab as many things as you want to and then quit. Unsubscribe if you feel like this isn't for you. However, here's one of the things I highly recommend for you to get. the Samantha Craft font. If you've not seen the Samantha Craft font yet, you're absolutely going to love it. And look at the price. It's usually $79. It's on sale right now for $17, but you'll get it with your dollar, and it'll be yours to keep forever and ever. And just to look here, you can kind of go through here and see the things that you get. But I'm going to have you go back to Silhouette with me for just a moment so I can show you what it looks like there. Okay, here we are in Silhouette. And I'm going to come over here to the text tool and just come over here and click and type in my name. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to highlight it and come over here because you know what? I've already gotten the Samantha Craft and I just want to show you how cool it is. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to type in Samantha Craft and hit enter. And so then it automatically just changed it into the Samantha Craft font. But let's say I don't like the way this P looks and I want a prettier P. With Samantha Craft still selected right here, I can come up here to the glyphs and I'm going to go way down here and get a different P. Okay, so I changed that to a prettier P, and maybe I don't want this E to look like this. I want it to look fancier. So I can go down, scroll down here, and by the way, I can make these much bigger by clicking on this so I can see them more clearly. And I'll go down to where the lowercase letters are. Let's see.
Thank you, sir. Go to the other side.
And then I can make it look just like that. Okay, in addition to that, there's these other things I could do down here. So let's just get the letter A, and I'm going to switch that. I'm going to highlight it and change it to highlight it and change it to the word thank you. Or I can add another one. Let's see, today. And but beyond that, there's all these little swirls too that you can use. And the nice thing about this font is that it has thickened up these images or these pieces so that when you cut them out of vinyl, they will be easier to weed. Okay. So that's not all that you get here. Let's open up a new page. I'm going to show you something else you get. So let's do a letter, and I'll scroll in so you can see it better. And I'm going to double click on it and highlight it. When you get the Samantha Craft font, you're also going to get frames. Samantha frames. So if you look down here, we're on Samantha Craft right now. I can scroll down a little, and these are the frames that you get. Now this is really, really cool. Again, you can use the glyphs to choose how you'd like to. But what I could do with this one, if I want to, I can just hold down my control key and mirror it or duplicate it to the right. And then maybe right click and say flip horizontally, and look at that. And then take both of these, control down, and then again right click and flip vertically. So then I can take these and move them up with my arrow key. And look at this nice thing I made for myself, this nice design, right? I love it. And I could weld it together. And if I wanted to, I could put an initial in here. Let's say I want to put the letter S in here. Okay, if I was making a monogram. And I can leave it like this, or I can come back up here and change this to the Samantha. Now this is something I recently used. There's that. And there's the Samantha font as the S. And of course, I could make it a fancier S by using the glyphs and finding them, just playing around. But anyway, this is a really neat thing that you can get. Let's go back over there one more time, and let's go back. So there are tons of fonts. If you look through here, there's even, script. Well, let's look. Script, back letter, color fonts. I think these are fun to look at. The color fonts. Look at all these fonts that you can get. Look at that. For print and cuts, these would be beautiful. And remember, no matter what price they are, now they're on sale right now, but no matter what price they are, for $1 for a month, you can grab as many of these as you like. And they're really, look at this one. This would be perfect for Father's Day. Let's open this one, see. Look at those. It all has to do with fishing. See the fishing rod and the reel? That would be a lot of fun to use for Father's Day. Something else I like to do too, and these are the May promos. That's why they're on sale. Let's see, something else I like to do sometimes too is see how many people have hearted these things. Like 879 people like this dot font. Let's check it out. Here's the dot font. That is pretty cool, isn't it? I think I'm going to have to download that one. I like that. Oh, look at that. And that's another thing I like. They show you examples of how you could use these things. Well, anyway, let's go on to let me tell you how you can win the Silhouettes Cameo 4 Pro. Okay, as you can see here, there's the giveaway entry steps, and there's simply 3 things you have to do. Go to Creative Fabrica's website and download the free design linked under this video, and you can see a picture of it here. After you do that, you're going to leave a comment on the free product telling what you'd wish to make with the free design. What would you like to make with it? For example, this free design would be perfect for a t-shirt. And number 3, you're going to subscribe, comment, and like this video. So again, there's 3 things. Go to Creative Fabrica's website, download the free file, and go ahead and sign up for the $1 so that you can download it. Then leave a comment on Creative Fabrica's website telling how you'd use the file, and then subscribe, comment, and like this video. This giveaway lasts or runs for 1 week. After the week is over, Creative Fabrica will select a winner. Best of luck, everybody. I hope you win the brand new Cameo 4 Pro with a 24-inch wide cutting width. So, thanks again for joining me. Good luck. See you again soon.